In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from India to USA with Wise. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to wise.com and you want to sign into your account, or of course create one in case you don't have one yet. After you do that over here, you want to click on the send button over here in the home screen. And then from here, first, of course, you are sending from India, so you want to click on You Send, and then you want to search for India over here. There we go, Indian rupee. Click on that, and then the recipient gets, you want to select US because of course you're sending USD, United States dollar, and you're sending to USA. So click on here, and then you want to basically type in how much you'd like the recipient to get or how much you'd like to send. I'm going to do, let's say I want them to get $100, and this is how much in rupees, Indian rupees, I would have to pay. And then here you can select what you want to pay with. I'm going to click on change. These are your options over here, so either bank transfer or your account over here in case you do have funds on your Wise account. Now after this, of course, you'll see when it arrives, or you can schedule it, and you'll be able to see the total fees and add in a reference for recipient, which of course is optional. Now, over here, as you can see, it says you must be residing in India to use bank transfer to send from INR. So I currently am not residing in India, which is not going to allow me to proceed. But if you are, you'll be able to click continue, select the recipient and how you want them to receive the money, either on Wise, using a bank account or card or something like that. And then after that, you're going to have to put in all the details for that payment method you want them to receive. And then you'll be able to review everything, confirm it, and then ultimately pay. And then your money is going to be on the way to them. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.